Oh, this bed is so uncomfortable. I want to check up on Lemon and Nathan. Where are they? I thought I heard one of them out here. Oh, hi, Lennon.
Yeah. Hey,
Where's
Nathan's sick today.
Oh, okay. Well, I heard there's a garage sale going on today. Want to go check it out?
Yeah.
I
don't have a hammer to smash that door.
Yeah, I don't really feel hungry. So I think it's in our neighborhood. It said.
You know what we forgot to try?
What?
Ramming the bike into the door. But to be honest, I would probably break the bike.
Yeah, and let's be honest, there's no room to start start up the bike and just go. Let's be honest.
Yeah. We really need a car because, you just go straight ahead. I'm just, trying to catch up.
Hi, is this the garage sale here? Yeah, you can buy anything here. There's some blinds, there's ladders on the side of the house. Oh, ladders, okay.
Blinds.
So, you can buy anything here. Do you have a bike here? No. Okay, do you have couches here? No, but there's a store in the middle of town, and there's a Mike's Motors where you can buy stuff at. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Just talk to me if you need anything. Okay. Hey, Lan.
So, what are you supposed to do here?
I say we buy all the paintings besides the tree and the roses one. I say we buy this computer and this computer.
Yeah. Because we need more computers badly.
Let's buy both of these TVs and this TV stand.
I don't know if we have the budget for that, but okay.
Dude, you gave me $40,000 yesterday.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Let's buy the sink. Let's buy this bed. Oh, let's buy the banana. Let's buy the fruit bowl. The epic sauce. Let's buy the cordless phone. Let's buy the red lamp, the dark blue penguin lamp, the red and green lava lamp, cordless phone. There's 2 desks outside. Let's buy both of those. I'm actually working on a table like this right now, so let's not buy a table.
There's ladders over here.
Let's buy 6 of these chairs. You said there's more in the back. I say we buy the red one because we like red. So buy both the blinds and let's buy the cat and both the cars. Okay, how much will that be? That will be about $2,000. $2,000. Okay. I don't know. How will this get to my house? It'll be shipped over. Okay. When? Tomorrow morning. Okay. Oh, actually, no. It'll be shipped tomorrow or tonight, like in the middle of the night. Okay. Fine. Let's go to the store in the Mike's Motors. Get off his roof. Get off his roof. Come on.
Okay, let's go to Mike's Motors. Maybe they'll have a bike there.
Yeah.
Or a car. That would work too.
But do we have enough for a car? Let's be honest. With you. Okay, Mike's Motors is right here on the side.
With the red roof?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go in, okay?
Last night, you know how I was gone last night? I was kind of exploring the town a little bit.
Cool.
So, I kind of know stuff is.
There's a bike here. Okay. I don't see a bike here, but I do see a moped. It's
No, it's like a moped.
What about a mud quad bike and a moped? So, by moped. No, dang it! No, I'm being shipped to a house now, man. Shipping. They put me in the shipping container. No, I don't want to go. No, I want to go back. What? Why are you here? You're supposed to be in my
I was gonna leave you.
Wow. We gotta get to the store. Oh, maybe we should buy some medicine for Nathan. Let's buy some medicine for Nathan.
Yeah. Although I do think that he just has a cold. So I don't think that we need medicine, but if we want him to recover faster.
Yeah.
Hurry, say.
Go.
I'll just go with you. I'll like go as fast as you.
I can't believe they put me in the shipping container. This girl's just sitting here still. Wow. Okay, that's sad.
Hurry. Hurry.
Okay, let's go to the store.
Ooh, I like this.
Come on, let's go. I'll meet you at the store, okay?
Okay.
Bye. I'm buying a couch. Upgrade our house. Maybe buy some new windows.
Oh wait, maybe we should get a couch.
That's why we're here.
Oh yeah. Hello, could I get a couch?
I should buy
Oh, I like this chair.
I bought the curved sofa. Let's buy 2 of these armchairs.
Ooh, these bookcases look cool. I like knowledge. I will have all the knowledge.
Let's buy this bookcase. Let's buy this plant. Wow, we got ripped off. Wow, we got a good deal on that football at the garage sale. And I'm building a table. So, thank you again. Will this be? When will this be here? It will be at your house in the middle of the night. Okay, that's a great deal. It's like coming when
Bye.
And I think the might said the calls will be there in the middle of the night. So that's awesome. So we both get home tonight like 3 a.m. tonight.
Oh yeah, I worked a lot yesterday, so I have like
Yeah, we only have 40,000 left. We only have $40,000 left.
Yeah, I've got $4,000.
$4,000. Okay, that'll be good.
I worked a lot.
Man, there's some major construction going on at that house. These You hear the hammering over there? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Dang, there must be some major construction over there. Okay, well, maybe let's, I see a big window up there, over there in the second story. Maybe we can kick the window open with the put the ladder in the bike back. You know?
Oh yeah, like we could climb up with a ladder and then just punch it open.
Yeah. So, go check go. Let's make dinner.
Okay. I know what I'm having for dinner, as usual.
Well, pork chops, of course. Can you get me some?
I only have one. There's only one more. But at least there's a lot of multi pork chops.
Yeah.
Hey, have a multi pork chop.
Oh, this is so gross. Man, that hammering is so loud. Really? Man, it must be so loud from over here.
Yeah, anyway, let's just end off the day in good bed.
Yeah, check up, tell me how Nathan's doing.
Okay.
Come
Hey
over to my,
Nathan, how are you doing? You better? Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better.
yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we just went to a garage sale. We got some cool stuff. Okay, he says that he's doing better.
Okay, that's good. Maybe you can.
Anyway, I'm just gonna go to sleep on the floor.
You want to sleep in my room because he's sick.
I will sleep on the floor tomorrow. Night.
I have a pillow in here.
Nope, it's the bed. The pillow's just fine. Anyway, night.
Okay, good night. There's been some. I should have brought me a bed too.